This is going to be our first impressions video of this knife block set, so let's get into it. It's a pretty heavy box to start, I can tell you that. Weight to this as well. Nice engraving here. This is a really nice piece. It looks amazing on your countertop. Now let's get into the knives. All right, so here are all of our knives. As you can see, all wrapped nicely in here in protective paper, which is really great for shipping. Okay, so here's one of the steak knives. Looks nice and sharp. Beautiful wooden handles. There. Here's our sharpener. Again, beautiful handles. Nice and heavy duty feeling without feeling too heavy. Up next, let's see what we have here. Skip the steak knives for now. All right, here's our kitchen shears. They have a nice lock feature here. And these look nice and sharp as well. Pop those right back in. Beautiful knives. Just speed it up a little bit here. So we've got a chef knife, a bread knife, a slicing knife, a santoku knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife. Instructions for use in. It also comes with 6 steak knives, of course. These are actually the 2 knives that I was the most excited to see because these are the ones that I use most. So here we have the chef's knife. Extremely sharp, again with these gorgeous handles. And again, one of my other favorite knives here, the santoku knife. And last but not least, I believe this will be our bread knife. We'll get to that later. Yep, here it is with the serrated edges. There we go. Let's clean up all this mess. Here's the finished set. All right, so we have one package here. Another one here. Let's open this one up first. So this is going to be the wooden block that you put your knives into. Wow, this is a gorgeous color. There's some nice